Alden Richards napahanga na panganga at nagpapansin sa kagandahan ni Janine Seymour Eco. Mga ka-celebrity hub, Alden Richards has everyone talking after he was caught in awe of the stunning beauty of Janine Gutierrez. During a recent event, Alden couldn't help but be mesmerized by Janine's charm, and his reaction left us all speechless. As the cameras rolled, Alden was seen staring in admiration at Janine, clearly impressed by her elegance and grace. It's no secret that Janine is one of the most beautiful actresses in showbiz today, but it was Alden's reaction that really stole the spotlight. He even went as far as to acknowledge her beauty in a playful yet flattering way, showing us all that he's definitely a fan of Janine's glow. Mas mahigit, Alden's reaction says it all. Janine is really one of a kind. Ang saya-saya nila pag magkasama, pareho silang gwapo't maganda. Alden and Janine. I think there's something there. Fans couldn't help but ship these two together, with many wondering if there's a budding connection between them. Whether it's just admiration or something more, one thing's for sure, Alden Richards is clearly taken with Janine Gutierrez. So mga ka-celebrity hub, anong thoughts niyo sa reaksyon ni Alden kay Janine? Are you shipping them too? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest celebrity news and updates here on Celebrity Hub.